Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I wanted to show you the new wings collection by Cheaply Chic. If you don't know, I am on the design team, and I actually had filmed this video a couple weeks ago and I accidentally deleted it off my phone before I got it onto my computer. So I wanted to go ahead and do the unboxing before I started actually working in the book. I will link Lynette's channel for you, Cheaply Chic, as well as her Etsy shop where she sells this collection and many other collections that she comes out with. It is a monthly collection, and this month is called Wings. It's a bird theme. It's really beautiful. A lot of the colors are navy and like a red or a dark burgundy. So this is everything that you get with the collection. Of course, things like the vintage items are one of a kind, so it's a little bit different throughout each of the kits, but this is, you can see what generally the kit will look like if you order it. And usually for each month she'll include the same certain items, and then she adds in different things and changes it up as far as the theme and the colors and everything like that. And so this one is Wings. She always has a beautiful letter with some artwork on the front with the name of the collection, and then she writes a really lovely letter to each of us. Well, I think it's the same letter for everyone, but it's just talking about how she came up with the theme and how her month is going and everything like that. So this is just, I think, is so beautiful. And of course, every bit of the collection you can use in your journal. So for example, I usually cut up the letter and use the words and the picture throughout the book. You can make a tag from it or a pocket or whatever. So yeah. So I'll just start and I'll go from left to right here, and I'll show you the journal. They each come with a journal. And she makes the cover and she adds the pages into it, and it's pretty plain on the inside. She just has all different kinds of pages that are coffee or tea stained in there, as well as well, mostly coffee or tea stained, and but there are a variety of different pages and envelopes and things like that. So this is the book. It has a gold seam binding ribbon to tie it, and it is one signature and tied up with the pamphlet stitch there. She has several different layers of different kinds of fabric layered up with a little crochet doily, and then she stamped a bird on the front there and then added this little sentiment that has wings on it, and the back is there. Here is the inside cover. It's just this really pretty double-sided cardstock with the bird feathers on the inside. And this is like a wood tree kind of pattern. And then there's regular tea-stained paper, some ledger or manuscript writing, kids writing paper, a ledger paper there. There's some black lined paper, and it's fun because she included a white Uniball Signo pen. I love these kind of pens, but that'll be great for journaling on that page. There's an envelope, vintage book page, some graph paper, envelope comes out that way. That's actually a really large envelope. Wow, look how long that envelope is. Never seen an envelope that long before. There's music paper, and then all the others are just the other sides of those papers. So that's the book. It comes plain so that you can decorate it with all the ephemera. So these kits can be for beginner junk journalers or even seasoned journalers like I am. So you can make it however simple or hard as you want. But it's just fun to have this book already made, and then you just take everything else that comes with it and decorate it and add your pictures or your journaling. All right, so here is the white pen that it comes with. There is a little baggie of eyelash trim and yarns and things like that that go with the collection. It's really pretty. A little glassine bag that has some gold paper clips, and then this little baggie has some charms. So a light bulb charm, or light bulb safety pin with a feather charm, and then another light bulb charm that has a light bulb safety pin with little beads on it. That's there. There's a little baggie of rhinestones, another glassine bag that has some really pretty feathers, and a bunch of different punch outs from the paper collection that she used, as well as some little tags. A lot of fun stuff in there. There is the little bookmark. It is, I'll show it to you here. It is a piece of twine or embroidery thread, I'm not sure, but it has beads on each end, and you can, this is wax linen thread, but this can go down the center or whatever page you want it to and be a bookmark, and it'll hang out the top and out through the bottom. So she always includes one of these that go along with the collection. Here is this really cool striped baker bag, like a cookie bag. And there is a vintage bird playing card and 2 doilies. And then this has a bunch of stuff in it. And the way this is all packaged up right now is not the way that she had it packaged up, because I had already, as I said before, I had filmed this, so I already opened it up and put it all back just in the way that I happened to put it back. So it looked a lot prettier is what I'm saying when she sent it. Here's another vintage bird card, a tag, a library card or a library pocket with a card, and then a bunch of these little vintage playing cards. They're like alphabet cards, I guess. And then there's some tickets, a couple little chalkboard labels, some more tickets that have the twine through them, a bird, a napkin, that's really cool, some sticky labels, a time card. Here's a big card tag made with the paper, another flashcard, some white tickets. I love just the plain white with nothing inside because you can stamp things on that with your ink. And then here are some more manila tags. She has one stamped with a bird, and then these are inventory tags, and then just a plain tag. Here's a couple, another tag that has a feather stamped on it, a Memorydex card, or Rolodex, I should say, a claim check, and then here are a couple pieces of the paper collection. And I love, these are just gorgeous. They have a gold foiling on this one, and then this one has the birds and flowers, and then it has some silver foiling on it. Here is some bird wallpaper. I love this too. I don't know where she gets all of her wallpapers, because I don't think I've ever found any. I think I have like one piece of wallpaper that I've ever found like anywhere, for as much thrifting as I do. Here is an old dictionary page. Another page looks like from a poetry book. Here is a piece of black paper. And then here is a book page from, it looks like a floral gardening book maybe. And then the last thing that came with this, move it over here, is this music sheet, and this is really awesome. It looks like it was from, up here somebody had written September of 49, but it's called Through the Years, and it's the full music booklet. But I just love how the colors really coordinate with everything in the collection. If I can open it up here. So it's really awesome. Yeah, so that is the Wings collection. Stay tuned. Next week I will have a video out as I get started with my book, and I'll just go through and do some of the pages for you, and we can just do a little journal with me. So hopefully you're able to check this out. But if you're not able to pick this collection up, I just think it would be great to follow along with my videos as I do some journaling, just to give you some inspiration, but also go over and check out Lynette and her channel, because she does journal with me as well, and check out all the ladies that are on the design team. I'll try and have the links down below. So hopefully you guys are all staying safe and healthy, and I pray that your families are as well, and I will see you again next time. Give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and God bless. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye.